Making candles starts with the wax. Viviana Alaves is one of the last people in her Mexican village who still knows how to make these candles by hand. Viviana melts wax over a fire fueled by wood and corn cobs. Viviana uses a bowl as a mold and dips it first into the hot wax, then into cold water to harden it. Viviana then lays them out on the roof of her house. The discs sit for up to a month. This purifies the wax and makes it a blank canvas, so it can be melted down again and dyed. Then it's time to make the candlesticks. These candles started out as bare wicks. They pour wax over them and let them dry for 10 minutes before adding the next layer. They cut the bottoms to make the candlesticks even. Viviana and her family make hundreds of wax figurines each week by cutting, shaping, and molding. Each one of her candles sells for 300 pesos, or $15.